If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Models.com, follow these simple steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. This guide will help you navigate the cancellation effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Models.com website and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to your transfers. Once logged in, go to your account dashboard. Look for the section labeled Transfers or Pending Transfers to find a list of transactions you have initiated. Step 3. Select the pending transfer. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Initiate the cancellation. Look for a button or link that says Cancel Transfer or something similar. Click on it to start the cancellation process. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. After initiating the cancellation, follow any additional prompts to confirm your choice. Once confirmed, you should receive a notification that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transfer on Models.com. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.